Let's travel together, guys. Let's experience together. So this experience is what you'll be experiencing.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Would you stay at the Standard, or would you rather spend $150 on a more traditional luxury hotel? Let me know.
Labuan in Bangkok, Thailand. So watch the other video so that you can see how the Labuan looks like, the interior, the outside, and everything. And watch this one to the end so I can show you the rest of the hotel. So for now,
until next time, keep exploring, keep finding those honest gems. Cha-cha!